my friends, is a lot of snow. Look at my porta potty. That's like 3.5 feet, 4 feet on top of the porta potty. Oh my goodness gracious. This is a big storm early in the year. Typically we don't get storms like this. This is only November. Look at this drift right here. That's like a 4-foot drift in front of me. We got Bria playing out right here, enjoying it, but you're definitely not going anywhere. My gate is way over here. That means I would have to dig all this out. I do have one of those like little blower machines, but it's not working right now. I need to get myself a little Razor 2-door thing with a little dump truck snowplow on the front of it. Look at my umbrella. Beautiful though. Without the wind, it's very calm and very beautiful. As long as you're not going anywhere, you don't have to drive anywhere, which we don't, praise the Lord. So heat's on. We're gonna go dig out my Starlink. Well, this is the Starlink 3rd gen. It actually has a built-in heater, but when there's this much snow, it definitely can't keep up with it. You're looking at probably, oh goodness, 3.5 foot snow drift, and it just covers it up. It was just partially blocked this morning, but where you could access something, but it was almost like dial-up speeds, and it just has to have no obstruction so it can hit the satellite. So I just dig out around it, sweep it, do that a couple times a day. It is on a pallet, which is on a plexiglass thing, but I do need to build a stand for it so that it's raised above like a 5-foot level, so that would never happen. It is pretty though. It is very pretty. Snow slightly coming down to the angle. Very little wind, if nothing at all. Peaceful, definitely nice. And today's forecast is a little snow with a little bit more snow on top of that. Today is now the next day, and I think we've put on another almost a foot. Oh my goodness gracious. My babies. So let's go dig ourselves out of here. Trash man definitely is not coming today. But, oh, this is when I wish I had a wood fireplace. Just put some hot cup of coffee on, nice little fire, cuddle up next to the pup. Get it, Sinks, get it. Alrighty, day 3 or 4, goodness gracious. Sun has finally popped its head out, melting the snow. Goodness gracious, this is a lot of snow. Oh my goodness, definitely pretty the first day or two, and then when the snow drifts come in, it's absolutely bonkers, absolutely bonkers. Look at this snow drift right here in front of my house right there. That's like 3.5 feet. This is when you need to invest in a good snowplow tractor. Look at my table and chairs, just buried. That's obviously the snow drift, but there's been a lot of snow still. Well, I got a little impatient last night. Thought I could plow it with the fogged up windshield. Unfortunately, yeah, that wasn't good. Tore up my lane a little bit. Got a little sideways, up on a little snow mound. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Life's short. Now let's go ahead and dig this thing out. One more wheel to go, and we should be home clear. Beautiful montañas out there in the distance. Looking good. Let's finish this up. Well, after all that digging, I'll tell you what. Heat massager on the feet. Looking absolutely fantastic. And then I got leftovers from last weekend. Oh yeah. Air fried waffles, double stack waffles, applesauce, organic blueberries, organic maple syrup, and organic peanut butter on top of there. A little dash of cinnamon. And we're going to be doing a little thankful journaling. We got our word open right now to Psalm 126, one of my favorite chapters of the Bible, one of my favorite Psalms. And I'm going to look at this beautiful view and have a little prayer time and devotion time. We'll see you in a bit. Alrighty, we got B-Ski in the back, looking absolutely fantastic. We got the fat tires in the back, ready to go for a little ripping. We're gonna do the front range. It's called Daniel's Pass. We're gonna get out the GoPro, of course. Fat tire bikes, what are fat tire bikes? Fat tire bikes are really huge front and back tires. My brother has front shocks on his. His tire is 26 4.0 and mine I believe are 5.0. So mine are definitely beefy McBeefies. I mean, just look at these tires. So we're gonna go rip a trail called Daniels Pass. Super fun. And if you get the right flow, you actually feel like you're just doing like a nice little, you know, snowboard session. You know, you got your helmet on, goggles on. It's a little bit more of a sunny day today. Typically, sometimes we do get out our snowboard helmets and goggles for that full effect feature, but I think today we're just going to be rocking sunglasses and regular helmets. The snow has melted pretty decently, but I think we're going to still get some good rips and turns. Huh, baby. Bringing out Bria for this little run here. So Daniels Pass, where we parked, we immediately go into the pain cave of uphill. I'll show you where we parked, but not too much snow here, which is good, or this gets really icy. Little winter wonderland. All right, that's where it gets a little icy. I'm still off.
Yeah, this is good. Ugly right here.
I couldn't keep my balance. Then you get a little roller coaster through here. Like I said, redeem those legs a little bit. Oh. Watch the edge, that's for sure. Come on, baby. Bria. Oh boy. Gotta watch those edges. Alrighty. So on the sunny parts, it's really nice and smooth, but in the shade, a lot of snow, single track. But again, out here, we're gonna get some beautiful downhill on the other side. And so right now we're working our way up to the top where there's the upper parking lot. And this area right here is absolutely stunning, beautiful. And boys are coming up right here, looking absolutely fantastic. And then we're gonna trek up. So switchbacks, it's a little bit up and down here. Then we are gonna get some switchbacks, which definitely hurt the Legos, but we always start with the uphill now instead of ending with it. All right, switchbacks are starting. Last big push for the parking lot. All right, here is the upper parking lot. And then we are gonna rip all the way around this kind of a Jeep fire trail, all the way around the rim. And then we're gonna go all the way up there, drop down, and then in this little gulch area here, it goes woo, whips down all the way to the cars. So again, we start with the uphill, work our way all the way up here, and now this is just literally a slow grind all the way around there. This trail definitely slaps, but after that viral Domino's pizza last night, we got some carb loads in the books. Beasky, come on, baby. Fat Tire Bikes, there are porta potties up here, of course. Turn you from a boy to a man. And this beautiful outlook right here. Coming up this, more of a trek up here. And we're gonna go all the way down over here and drop on down. And here is Daniels Pass downhill area here. Let's go, Beasky. Whoops, I need to put my seat down a wee bit. I need to get a dropper, yeah. That I think is gonna be a little Christmas present. Here we go. Oh boy. All right, here we are. We're back in the game now. Here we go, little sunny side eggs. Come on, Beasky. Here we go, yep. Oh. Little Daniels Pass, yep. Here we go. Now we're in it. Now we're in it to win it. Nice little righty-tighty. Oh, here we go, here we go. We got a little jump, Oh boy. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. Watch those ledges. Burp. Nice. Oh boy. Nice. Yeah, here we go. Burp, burp. Here we go. Nice, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Burp. Whoop, hiker up. Dog up. I got my pup behind me here. She's friendly though. Come on, baby, let's go. Alrighty, you have a good day. Good girl, Beastie. Come on this way. Hurry up. Burp, 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 burp. Ah, boy. Ah, oh no! Yeah. Ah. This is why you wear the tights. Here we go. Burp, 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 burp. All right, then you make your left. Then it gets really fun through here. A little sloshy right through here. Under Armour, found them in California. Dumpster diving. Okay, 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 here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh boy. Nice and grippy and sticky. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, careful. Careful on the ledges. Hop, hop, hop. Here we go. Okay, hop. 2 hands on the wheel. 2 hands on the wheel. Good girl. Oh, oh boy. Watch the ledges. Watch the ledges. Oh, nice. Here we go. Hurry! Hurry! Burp, burp, burp. Ah, boy. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Tight right. Ah. Come on, stick banks. Woo! And then it gets really nice in the sunshine. In the sunshine. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Good girl. Burp. Tighty righty. I get super fun right through that section. Heck yeah. Come on, Beastie. Oh boy. Beastie! Whoa! Okay, here we go. Now we're on to something. Ah! Ah! Yeah, we keep going down, right? Right turn, Joe. Oh no! Oh no! Oh boy! Here we go. Hey! Ah! Here we go. Here we go. Oh boy! What is that? Oh boy! Oh boy! Ah! Oh, yeah, watch that one. Watch that one. Watch that one. Here we go. Nice. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Oh. Here we go. Oh boy. Here we go. Burp, burp. Oh. Nice. Oh boy. Oh, your hands get tired. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Good girl.
Yeah, buddy. We're drifting, we're drifting. Good girl. Huh. Good girl. And then you end at the bridge. Nice. Whew. That gets the wind pumped up a little bit right there. Ah! There he is. He's going. He's going. We're on it. Yes. Joey fishing. Right next to this beautiful stream, winter wonderland. Dude, there's a lot of snow for that long ago. I'm gonna get me a little footage down there by the old creek. Huh, baby. And then you finish right here, down by the creek. Down by the creek right here. Huh, baby. Go get some fresh water. Good girl. Huh, my baby. Okay, come on.
Well, a little beautiful evening out here on the ranch. Got the pup, got the bike, got the beautiful trees, sunset hitting the clouds. Ain't all that bad right there. That's looking real good right there. So, alrighty, sports fans, let me go ahead and cut the water here and talk you through this good action. Actually, yeah, I think we're good probably now. So what I do is I crank it on really hot. So hot baths, if you're not aware, hot baths are the ticket. So I obviously installed this a while back. If you have not seen my other DIY house tutorial project videos, like let me give you a little sneak peek. Let me hit this middle one right here and check this out. Actually, no, that's the fan. Hold on, time out. Let's hit this third one. The third one, I rarely use these things, but anyway, I installed some sick, cool like LED lights in the ceiling, and just for ambiance, I'm gonna go ahead and leave those on. And so I did this whole bathroom myself. As you can see here, got some wood features, all that stuff. That is all on my other channel, Tips and Tricks. That's where I do the tech reviews, all the DIY house projects, if you're interested in that. That's my largest channel, but of course this one is my passion project and I love vlogging and traveling. Anyway, let's get back to hot soaks. Now, statistically, I don't have the statistics in front of me, but saunas and hot baths are supposed to be absolutely fantastic for your heart health, vascular system. So I do cold plunges and I also do hot baths. I don't do hot baths all the time because I'm gonna be honest with you, it takes like 20 minutes to fill up this bathtub. It takes quite a while. So what I do is I turn it on, I stretch, I go do the dishes, I come back and then it's ready to go. Anyway, and then I got my little bamboo little reading thing here. I'm all posh and poshy. No, is that the word? Bougie, that's the word I'm looking for, bougie. So I got this book right here. I'm not like too far into it. I'm in a season right now of waiting on the Lord for promises that he has told me. And so I got this book. It's a Christian book by Ruth Shue Simmons, Now and Not Yet. And again, I'm not too far into it, so I can't like highly recommend it. But anyway, I'll let you decide for yourself if you want to go on Amazon. I think I got that on Amazon right there. But anyway, it was like one of the only Christian books that I found on Amazon about waiting on the Lord. So this is kind of cool. It says, pressing in when you're waiting, wanting, and restless for more. So again, I'm in a season of waiting right now on the Lord. The last, oh goodness gracious, like 4 months. And so I'm seeking the Lord. I'm doing everything I possibly can, but the Lord is like, no, you need to rest and you need to wait on me and wait patiently. And I'm like, okay. And that's not really like me. I want to put my hands to something. I want to get something done. I want to start something new. And sometimes the Lord is like, no, you need to rest. You need to recoup, you need to heal, you need to be blessed, you need to wait on my word. So that is what I'm doing. Anyway, so we got some Dr. Teal's bath soap in there. We got some Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. Nice little soak in there. Of course, I'm not going to show you that, but I'm going to jump on in. Have me a little soak, get ready for bed. Tomorrow is church day, so stay tuned for that vlog if it doesn't make it in this vlog, because we got a wonderful Sunday set up.